Alright, so now for the Forester, we move on to doing the fuel filter, which I've already started getting the factory one out. I honestly have no idea how old this one is. It was in the car when I got it, and I don't know when the last service for that was. It's kind of the thing that people usually overlook. So with that, I got a new Wix one for my work, which I've never had a problem with the Wix brand, ever. I use their oil filters, I use their fuel when I get around to it. And I'm also putting in a Walbro 255 fuel pump, along with the stock install kit, which I got from Subi Mods. They hooked me up pretty good on it. They've been helping me out with this build all along, so huge thanks to them. I will be getting some decals from them for my sponsorship, so I'm trying to figure out where I want to put them. If I do kind of like a side thing here, or like the Fig Newton on the windshield, I haven't really decided yet, but got to figure that out. Got to talk with them about size and decals and all that stuff. But yeah, doing the fuel, doing the filter right now. Then I will be digging into the fuel pump in a second. I was able to waste a full tank of gas going down there yesterday to get the parts, because it was a full tank, so I don't really want to do the fuel pump with a full tank. So now it's literally on E, so it's good to go. So I can do that, and hopefully not die from the fumes. We'll see how that goes. But anyways, hopefully this will fix my fuel issue. Alright, so I was able to get the fuel filter in. And luckily, the one thing I like about the Wix is it is black, so it just blends right in. I was able to get all the other piping back on from the bead rolling, which is in the previous video. The little DIY that I did, which I love, and I'll try not to lose this tool this time, or I'll try not to, yeah, I'll just leave it at that. And so everything should be fine up here. I should not be blowing off any couplers when it is actually tuned. Hopefully the next step, the fuel filter, hopefully that makes it so I have proper fuel to everything so I don't blow up. But yeah, I will move on to taking the trunk stuff out, ripping out the fuel pump, seeing what's actually in there, because I have no idea, and I don't know how clogged up the sock is either. Haven't been into the tank, so I guess we'll find out together. Alright guys, so I get the trim work out of the way. This is actually where the fuel pump sending unit is. It's just beneath this plate right here. I took it upon myself to already take that off. There's a lot of dirt and crap on top of that, so I'm going to get the vacuum and suck all that up, because I don't need any of that falling into the tank. Defeats the whole purpose for everything I'm doing. But yeah, I'm going to vacuum this out. And there's, I don't know, I think like 8 or 9. I think they're 8mm nuts. Hopefully I don't break any of the studs taking it out. But I'm going to try to, just try to not fuck shit up. And hopefully I'll have a better update. The fuel pump sending unit out without any casualties. Thank God. All the studs held up. So now all I have to do is swap over the pumps, which it's a direct swap, and then put the install kit, which I only need the sock out of that, but it's just peace of mind because this one, there's quite a bit of crap on it. And yeah, did the fuel filter, might as well do everything else. So doing it up, this might fix my fuel issues. It might just be, it needs to be tuned for more fuel. I don't know, I'm not a tuner, but I'm also not going full boost. I'm not even going half boost on this, so I'll just try not to blow it up until I get tuned. Yeah. All back together. Got the fuel pump back in place. The sending unit went back in, no issues. Got everything buttoned up. Tossed together. The sock on the fuel pump that was in there was pretty brown. been through some shit, so I'm glad that got swapped out too. But yeah, car's all back together. Now I can go to the gas station, fill it back up, and just give it a little romp, see how it does. Just a few pounds. I'm not doing whatever max boost is. I think it's around like 15 or 18, whatever, but not even going anywhere near that. I'm just seeing how it feels. And one step closer to dyno day. I really want to do that turbo inlet. That's really the last thing I want to do to the car before I actually have to get it tuned. Next race is in a month, so I should have enough time to install that, hopefully get tuned and do a shakedown. But yeah, thanks for watching. Forster's back together. Hopefully I don't have to do anything to it extremely intense. I don't know how else to say it. I don't want any more big projects to this thing until maybe the fall. It's a lot to ask for with the rallycross and also the hill climbing that I'm going to try to be doing. But we'll see how it goes, I guess. But yeah, huge thanks to Mountain Roo Rally Crew. I'm part of that. I'm a driver for them. And huge thanks to Subi Mods too for continued, I don't know, friendship and sponsorship. So I'll be going to them for more parts that I need. Hopefully not many parts, but we will see. Yeah, thanks for checking that out.